Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see the principles of UN Global Compact. There are 10 principles available, starting from human rights. Principle number 1, businesses should support and respect the protection of internationally proclaimed human rights. And number 2 principle, make sure that they are not complicit with human right abuses. Next section deals with the labor. Principle 3, businesses should uphold the freedom of association and effective recognition of the right to collective bargaining. Principle 4, the elimination of all forms of force and compulsory labor. Principle 5, effective abolition of child labor. And principle 6, elimination of discrimination in respect of employment and occupation. The next set deals with the environment. Businesses should support a precautionary approach to environmental challenges. Principle 8, undertake initiative to promote greater environmental responsibility. And principle 9, encourage the development and diffusion of environmentally friendly technologies. Anti-corruption is principle 10. Businesses should work against corruption in all its forms, including extortion and bribery. Thanks for watching. Bye.